What's good, y'all? Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, man. It's fresh, and this is the Moon Runners, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. All right. Phone number information to connect with me will be directly below. This link that you're looking at will be pinned as the first comment in the comment section. All right. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Um, Major Alpha right here, right? Shout out to this dude, man. He got some good content. It only got like 7.53 subscribers, but this video I started watching. I didn't watch the whole thing. This lady right here said that she has a property, I think in Miami or Florida somewhere, right? She has a lot of property, a lot of real estate or whatever. She's selling her real estate and putting it into cryptocurrency. If y'all get a chance, it came out 3 hours ago. Just go and watch the first 10 to 20 minutes of that video. It will break down and explain a lot. Michael Saylor has went on record to say that all of the markets that are going to be crashing, real estate is about to be hit hard. All of the liquidity and the money from those markets are going to be flooded into Bitcoin and ultimately cryptocurrency, right? Everybody that knows about BTC and Bitcoin, y'all, I seen it around 2016, 17, and I was all in on Bitcoin. The only downside that I would have to say about Bitcoin is that it is more of a store of value and less uh, 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 real world assets like Kaspa, which Kaspa is more Bitcoin than Bitcoin because it is faster. The transactions, you guys, are like almost instant. As soon as you send it, boom, it's going straight through. Whether you're sending it from an exchange, I sent it from an exchange to a hot wallet, then my cold storage wallet came in. When I sent it from Uphold to a Caspian wallet, and went through immediately. From the time I closed the Uphold to the time I opened up my Caspian wallet, it was already done. Transaction was done. You guys know that with Bitcoin, when you send a transaction, that could take anywhere from, 10 minutes. It could be as low as a couple minutes, but usually it's around 10 minutes, and it could be as high as a half hour. If you got $1 billion worth of Bitcoin that is suspended in space for a half hour, somebody gonna start sweating. Y'all know that what I'm saying is true. So I'm here to simply showcase Michael Saylor, who is the spokesperson, you guys, for global decentralization, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And I'm here to just break down. I'm not here to talk bad about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you guys, more of a retirement plan. Casper, you guys, can be used for peer-to-peer. It solves the trilemma, you guys, which is three-part: decentralization, security, you guys, peer-to-peer decentralization. All right. So um I'm gonna show and talk a little bit about Michael Saylor. We're here to talk about the revolution and how we're a part of this revolution and why we need to take this serious. You guys need to go all in on cryptocurrency. Caspa. Caspa's like they've been saying that Caspa's more Bitcoin than Bitcoin is, you guys. It is instant transactions. With BTC, with Bitcoin, you need a layer two, the Lightning Network. Caspa doesn't need anything. Everything is already done. This blockchain is already complete. We're gonna go through. This is gonna be a full packed video, you guys, for y'all. So get this alpha. Make sure y'all stay all the way to the end. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure that you repost my videos on your X, on your Twitter. Help me expand this. We're building a global decentralized network, right? Moon runners. Let's go. All right.
I speak with both Democrats and Republicans.
Have you spoken to either of them in the past, say, month?
Yeah, I don't share my conversations that I have in private and confidence with anyone in the world.
Okay, fair enough. Let's say that you were on a hypothetical phone call with either of them. What would you be telling them that your dream is for crypto policy moving forward?
The future is digital, right? There's a race to own cyberspace. That being the case, empires are built on productive property, and they're defended by firepower, naval power, air power, nuclear power, and digital power. Bitcoin's digital power. You want Bitcoin, you want to own cyberspace, you want the most digital power, just like you want nuclear power, air power, and space power. It's a good investment. It's like buying Alaska or like the Louisiana Purchase. And it's also essential to national security.
Which candidate is better for crypto?
All right. I really wanted to go and unpack that, you guys. He got a video where he was like, Ah, Bitcoin is digital power. It is digital this. It is digital that. I wanted to find that video and I can't find it. Maybe I'll find it and I'll talk about that in another video. But we're owning digital real estate. And people aren't realizing, right? We always talk about this metaverse. We talk about the matrix and all of these things, you guys. I am not saying lose your mind by not living in the real world. What I am saying is make sure you are positioned for the greatest wealth transfer in history. Make sure you are positioned for the greatest wealth transfer in history. I just spoke in my last video about setting it and forgetting it, right? You take your crypto, you're going to put it in a Tangent wallet, right? Which is can be an app on your phone, okay? You're going to buy Kaspa. Nothing about what I'm saying is financial advice, but you're going to buy Kaspa. Boom, set it in your Tangent wallet. Go outside. I'm a Michigan native, lived in Colorado for years, right? And I said, that's the greatest thing that ever happened to me. So I'm not saying lose yourself in this matrix. I am saying position yourself for the greatest wealth transfer in history. Ida Casper, put it in your Tangent wallet, set it and forget it, and go back outside to the woods, go back outside into the forest, go back to the beaches, go back to the beaches of the world, go to the most beautiful places and live your life. You see how both of these things, see, people think it's just one thing. Well, you're all in the matrix and all in the metaverse, or you're off the grid. It's extremes. People too extreme. People don't think that these things can be work in harmony. We're owning digital real estate. The greatest wealth transfer will be digital. I don't think people get it. Send this to the people. I'm not even trying to convert people anymore. Me and Sniper talk about that. I'm done trying to convert people. If you don't see the vision for your children and you're not the forefront runner, like they said, somebody has to be the one, Neo in the Matrix. Somebody has to be the person in your family that's going to transform the trajectory of your family's future. It should be you. So I'm not here to convert people no more. I'm here to say, if you don't see the vision for your children and your family's future, and if you want to go live off the grid, that's cool. If you want to go live off the grid, fine. But realize that the greatest wealth transfer in the history that we're seeing right now, this revolution is digital. Kaspa is the fastest operating cryptocurrency right now. The fastest operating crypto. It is decentralized. It is secure. And it is almost instantaneous. So if you can understand what Michael Saylor is saying about BTC, BTC is more retirement. So if you're going to take something, put it away. If that's your objective, cool. Kaspa is more Bitcoin than Bitcoin. All right, we're going to keep moving. I don't know if he got anything else to say in this video, but let me open this up because I got another video by Michael Saylor. Let me fast forward a little bit. I don't really want to talk about the political thing.
Specifically political, Michael, but I am interested to get your take on this, which is that it does seem like at this moment that that crypto is breaking hard along ideological lines. I mean, Trump certainly, you see him speaking at the Bitcoin conference, talks about making Bitcoin great again. Is that good for crypto or long term, do you think? Do you really need friends on both sides of the political aisle?
I think Bitcoin is digital capital, right? The world's going to be remade. There's a digital transformation in finance taking place. Everybody on Wall Street understands it. Everybody on Capitol Hill understands it. Everybody on Main Street understands it. It's like electricity or fire or the internet. I can't imagine that a nation state, a company, a government, or any particular family even is going to be successful without embracing technology.
I've kind of an investor.
I'm not here to push FUD or fear, but I am telling you there's going to be a lot of pain for people in this country, in America, because I'm in America, and for other countries around the world when they do not adopt digital decentralization. There's two sides of the coin: CBDC, central bank digital currency, and decentralization, Bitcoin, Kaspa, and other cryptos. You want to be on the side of decentralization. You want to be on the side of Kaspa, fastest blockchain, operating blockchain in the world. Shout out to the Caspians, man. Shout out to all of y'all that continue to triumph in this marathon forward. Like, shout out to each and every one of y'all that continue to push the envelope that says we need sovereignty and we want freedom. Listen, if Michael Saylor just said, who is one of the biggest spokesmen for cryptocurrency Bitcoin right now, said that this is digital capital, this is digital real estate, this is digital equity, we want to have the fastest one. And I'm going to tell you why. We are living in an age of technology and speed, and y'all know this. Let's go to another video by Michael Saylor, man, because I could keep going, man. Like, I love this. You already know what type of time we on. Shout out to Michael Saylor, man.
That if we look at Bitcoin and model it as digital gold, you know, the market cap goes to between 10 and 20 trillion. But gold is, remember, gold is defective property. Gold is dead money. You have $1 billion of gold that sits in a vault for a decade. It's very hard to mortgage the gold. It's also very hard to rent the gold. You can't loan the gold. No one's going to create a business with your gold. So gold doesn't generate much of a yield. So for that reason, most people wouldn't store $1 billion for a decade in gold. They would buy $1 billion of commercial real estate property. And the reason why is because I can rent it and generate a yield on it that's in excess of the maintenance cost.
You heard what he said, right? He said they will buy $1 billion worth of real estate. You got the proof right here. This young lady right here, Michael Saylor, said people are going to begin to sell their real estate because the real estate market is going to be hit hard. And for the people that doubt what I'm saying, make sure you go back and study history. Just less than 20 years ago in 2008, the real estate markets were hit the hardest. They were hit hard. I'm telling you one thing about people. You think people that don't have money are paranoid and scared. Wait till you get $1 billion. Wait till you get 100 million. Those people are even more paranoid because they're trying to protect their wealth. They're trying to protect their assets, right? Nobody wants to go to the top of the mountain, all that work they put in, and then they beam right back to the bottom because of uncertainty. Nobody can control these markets, y'all. There's no control. All it is just protection. Where do I put my wealth so I can make sure it is secured? Right? So I'm taking y'all somewhere. I'm taking y'all on a journey where he talked about it. You don't put it in gold, you put it into real estate. People are trying to get, like Grant Cardone said, cash flow. People are getting out of that market. Make sure y'all go watch the first 10 to 20 minutes of that video. And I seen that. I said the light bulb was going off. Like, yes, I understand where we are now. Let's keep going.
So if you consider digital property, that's $100 to $200 trillion addressable market. So I would think it goes from 10 trillion to 100 trillion as people start to think of it as digital property.
What does that mean in terms of price per coin?
At 500,000, right? That's a $10 trillion asset.
trillion.
At 5 million, that's a $100 trillion asset.
So I think it crosses 1 million, it can go even higher.
Yeah, I think it keeps going up forever. I mean, there's no reason it can go to 10 million a coin, right? Because
wow, yeah. $10 million a coin for BTC, right? $10 million a coin for BTC. I don't even know what that looks like, I seen this website some time ago. Sniper sent it to me. Marketcapof.com. 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 You come here, yeah, and I'm just gonna play around like I'm still understanding This whole market cap thing. I never pretend to be a person, y'all, that has all the answers. But I am one of the people that's going to continue to learn. I am one of the people that's going to continue to elevate. Think about it. They said if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. You want to remain a student. So let's just say, I don't know, let's just do one Bitcoin right now, right? At the current market cap, right? Right now, Casper right now, let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. Yeah, right. So that would put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 3 billion. That's crazy, y'all. Y'all come here, man, and y'all mess around. I think okay, there we go. I did it the wrong way. Okay, so right at the current market cap of Bitcoin right now, right? It would be, I will put cash at $48.56. And what I want to do is let's go to let's just do 1,000. 48,555,000 Kaspa. That would be Kaspa with the market cap of BTC. 1,000 Kaspa will put you at 48,000, right? Each Kaspa coin will be valued at $48.55. And if you just keep coming and you're messing around with it. So what did he say? What did he say? What did Michael Saylor say about BTC real quick? Let's go back.
Yeah, I think it keeps going up forever. I mean, there's no reason we couldn't go to 10 million a coin, right?
$10 million
Because
a coin, man. $10 million a coin. Y'all come to this website and just get to messing around with this. Marketcapof.com. And then you just put Kaspa on one side, put Bitcoin on the other. Show the price of A with the market cap of B, right? So you want to show the price of what Kaspa will be at the current market cap of Bitcoin. That means Kaspa, once Bitcoin doubles in price, but we're talking about the market cap, not the price, all right? So y'all can see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 trillion, 185 billion. Kaspa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 billion. 1.1 trillion. Crazy, man. Crazy. The numbers get the going ballistic. Y'all make sure y'all check out the Tangem wallet. For people who don't have a Tangem, order your Tangem. I got mine within a matter of a couple days. I ordered it and it was so fast. It was crazy. Like the Tangem was here, I think, in less than 5 days, 10 days max. I can't even remember from the day I ordered it to the day it arrived was like less than 5, 10 days. It was super fast. This video for Michael Saylor, you guys, like I said, is from October last year, 2023. We're going to play the rest of this, and then we're going to end the video.
digital property isn't the highest form, right? Gold was that low frequency money. Property is a mid frequency money, but when I start to program it faster, it starts to look like digital energy, and then it doesn't just replace property. Then you're starting to replace bonds. Right? It's 100 trillion in bonds. There's 50 to 100 trillion in other currency derivatives. And these are all conventional use cases, right? I think that there's 350 trillion to 500 trillion dollars worth of currency derivatives in the world. Mm-hmm. And when I say that, I mean things that are valued based upon fiat cash flows. Any commercial real estate, any bond, any sovereign debt, any currency itself, any derivatives to those things, they're all derivatives, and they're all defective, and they're all defective because of this persistent 7 to 14% lapse in
and they're all defective. I've been watching a lot of videos on treasury bonds and the rates, right? Interest rates and debt. This whole system, you guys, was set up for the people at the top to win and for us to suffer with fiat currency, paper money. I could keep going. What does it say? Kaspa is freedom money. Kaspa is freedom money. Absolutely. A currency for the people. Right? Really wanted to talk about this. I should have talked about this first. Altcoin Daily, Kaspa Cash holders. Where are you? This is powerful because we don't want any of these paid actors to be pushing Kaspa. We want a strong community of people. We want it to be built organically, which it has been. I'm going to go into this again. Kaspa transaction being conducted. This transaction happened in London and England, right? Yeah, in London, right here, right? I knew it was London. Okay, just want to make sure. All right. So shout out to Wolfie's Bar in London.
Scan QR code. Send.
I don't want no copyright strikes on my video, so let me put that down. I didn't hear that before, the music in the background. See that? Kaspa accepted here. All right. Let's see that. Well, we got 444 Kaspa plus the transaction fee. Boom. Okay. Dude bought like 4 beers or something like that. Bought a couple beers. You can see 1, 2, 3. I don't think there was a 4th person. So where we got 3 beers, right? Boom. This is the revolution, man. Right? We are a part of the revolution, y'all. So for KASPAY, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is the revolution. I just dropped a video about this on my YouTube channel. Y'all go check that out. KASPAY right here. And because of this person right here, man, I got back on here and I wanted to kick out some more game. So this is shout out to you, man. Major shout out. Man, I find your content to be amazing. Full of what most millions of subscriber channels are lacking. God bless. We all will be rich in this bull run generational wealth in the making. This is the reason why I got back on here to drop another video, because he dropped a comment on my KASPAY video that I just uploaded before I did this one. So major shout out to you, brother. Please repost my videos. Let's keep expanding this worldwide network. It's fresh, and this is the Moon Runners, man. We're going to keep showing up. We're going to keep giving y'all this game. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Information, phone number to connect with me right here. This link that you're looking at is pinned as the first comment beneath each and every one of my videos, all right? Go in the comment section. You'll see the link right there. It will be pinned as the top first video or first comment. I'll talk to y'all in the next video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to y'all soon, man. Peace and love.